Hello, I'm Brian Bullock. Together with Scott Maurer and a few other colleagues, we created a two-step process that will save drivers' lives when they face difficult road geometries.
This is Scott Maurer. I'm a CDL driver with 20 years of mountain driving experience. You have just witnessed the death of a driver that tried to make this descent using his service brakes to control the descent speed. During my career, thousands of drivers had died in single vehicle CMV crashes because they lost control of the vehicle. In this course, we will teach you how to stay ahead of the vehicle and be prepared for every road geometry on your journey. Our foremost goal is to help you get home safe after every trip.
Many highways in the U.S. challenge drivers with curves and long descents. If a driver does not use engine braking as the primary method of making descents, the service brakes overheat, leaving the driver without control. Lives can be saved, injuries avoided, and crashes prevented by investing in first, post-CDL driver training, and second, technology tools such as RoadAware. Help your drivers, train them, and equip them with tools that can save their lives.